Hey guys, today I have a makeup and PR haul. So yeah, let's get into it. There's not too much, but just a little bit of stuff that I want to talk about. So first I'll start with this. This is the Australian Charcoal Clay Mask from Deluxe Skin. Says how to use, apply evenly to freshly cleansed skin, wait 10 minutes for mask to completely dry. Gently remove with warm water and pat dry using a soft clean towel. Finish by applying our hydrating moisturizer after mask. So this is how it looks here. It's really pretty packaging. It has kind of like, is it marble? Like a kind of marble effect? I don't know. But anyway, they kindly sent over their mask, which I think was really lovely of them. So this is how the actual little container where it looks here. I think it looks really, really nice. I love it. It's got the gold lid, and then when you undo it, it just looks like that. You can see it's obviously charcoal. It doesn't really have too much of a smell. It feels quite thick, but it feels really quite nice. So I'll definitely try that out soon in like a skincare first impressions or something. I still have like that new fresh stuff to try, so maybe I can try this mask out or something in that video as well. Yeah, I have done like a skincare first impressions before, and I do really like the way that they like the video idea. So yeah, I think I will film one of those for you. Yeah, thank you so much to the team at Deluxe Skin for sending me this. I really appreciate it. Next I did an order with Sephora, so I'll show you what I got. I just ordered 3 things. The first thing I got was the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation Plus Concealer. I got mine in the shade oh okay, I'm guessing. So they've changed like their shade range. So it said before it was 01 Linen and now it's in 08 Linen. But yeah, this is a packaging that's really cute actually. And this is how it looks. I don't know, it might be a little bit too dark for me, but let's be honest, which one of my foundations match? Like, which of them? Alright, I'm just gonna do, oh my god, that's even worse than what I've got on right now, kind of. Okay, it's like very orange. Look, I can't help it, okay? I did the test online and they told me that this was my shade, so that's Sephora's fault, not mine. But anyway, I'm really excited to try this out. I've heard some really, really good things. So yeah. Next I got the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Illumination Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer. I got mine in light. 10.5 light. You guys know that I absolutely love my my It Cosmetics CC cream. It's amazing. So I thought I would enjoy this as well. Let's have a look. Oh, it's actually really cute. It's like quite small. It's got like it's got 12 mils of product, which I feel like is pretty standard for a concealer. This has 15 mils, but this is quite a big one. What does our Colourpop No Filter have? 5 grams? I don't know. Anyway, it has 15 mils of product. No, it has 12 mils of product, sorry. And yeah, I'm gonna squirt some on my hand and see. Okay, that looks like it'll be a pretty good concealer for me. It seems quite oily. Oh, it's very, very, very thick, but that will be a great concealer color for me. I'm really excited to try that. Very excited. If it's anything like my It Cosmetics CC cream, I feel like I'm gonna love it. And then the last thing that I got from Sephora is the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Powder. This is in the shade light, but I feel like this, it looks very dark, okay? Like that looks like a bronzer. That looks like this is my Nude by Nature bronzer, and this is a powder. Like, okay, maybe not that close, but you know what I mean. It looks pretty dark, but I just want to swatch it and see what it's like, you know, when it's kind of sheared out, I guess. I've got a little bit in my hand. Actually, I think it'll be okay. I don't know if you guys can really see it. It's like kind of around there. Might be one of those ones you can kind of see more on the face. I can see it here in person where it catches the light, but it's a little bit hard to see on camera. But yeah, that was everything I got from Sephora. Next I did a Mecca order. Here in my mouth, okay. The first thing I got was the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner. I'm really excited for this. I love the Better Than Sex mascara. So I love the tube, it's so beautiful. It's like super on par with the packaging of Better Than Sex mascara. It seems like very light. It's got a little ball in there, so that's good. Ooh, this tip is super thin and it's a brush tip. Brush tips are my favorite. It seems a little streaky, but that's it there. But I'll see how it goes in my eyes. It doesn't seem to be bleeding at all. But yeah, I'm really excited to try that. I think that'll be quite nice. Also from Too Faced, I got the Born This Way multi-use complexion powder. I'm so excited for this. I love the Born This Way range. It's such a great range from Too Faced, and I think this will complete my collection. I think I have everything from the Born This Way range. Yeah, got the palette, foundation, concealers. I have the loose powder. What else do they have? Oh, the little trio thing. But anyway, this is it here. Looks so cute. Ooh, and I got mine in the shade Almond. Oh, cute. So it just looks like that, and then you lift it up, and there's a little pink puff. That's super cute. But yeah, I'm really excited for that. I've heard some really good things about this as well. So yeah, I'm keen to try that. And then the last thing I got from Mecca is the new, well, not so much new now, but one of their newer foundations. This is from Urban Decay. This is the Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation. Mine is in the shade 20NN, and I think I saw Soph do a video on this and she said she loved it. This is so cute inside the box. See all the little flowers, and it said, "Good things happen when you're naked." That is such a cute inside. Love that. Anyway. Oh, okay. This is like weird. They're kind of like dents in. Do you see that? Like, I thought it was like fully like rectangle, but no, like dents in a little bit. But anyway, I feel like that should be a pretty good match for me. That looks kind of like my color. And this one, oh yeah, once again in the shade 20NN. I'll try and squeeze a little out. Okay, that looks a lot better for me than the Clinique foundation. So there you go. Mecca's matching is better than Sephora's. But anyway, yeah, so that is, I'm really excited to try that as well. And then the last thing I got, I also received in PR. Now I know this sounds awful, it just kind of came like this, but it said Dermalove Micro Dart Acne Patches. So I'm not sure if the actual brand is Dermalove or if that's the name of the product, but anyway, this comes with 18 patches, so it comes with 2 little bags like this. I want to have a look in these. What does it say? It says studies have shown even mild to moderate acne can have a significant negative impact on quality of life, especially among women. Don't let your acne bring you down by combining breakthrough dermatological micro dart technology and the right use of compound ingredients. Dermalove's, oh yes, that must be the brand name. Patches effectively clear new and upcoming pimples without the use of toxins or harsh chemicals. So it says directions. Always apply on clean washed skin. Gently apply patch onto desired area. Avoid touching the micro darts. Gently press on the patch for 5 seconds after applying. Leave the patch on for 8 hours or more before removing. So this might be something you do before bed or whatever. Caution, always test new skincare. For example, on your hand before using on your face. Keep out of reach from children. If rash or irritation occurs, stop using and consult your doctor for external use only. So I'm going to open this and see how it looks. Oh, okay. Oh, cute. Okay, so this is them there. Cute. So you just, yeah, stick it on, leave it on for 8 hours. Cool. I am really excited to try that. I think I might try one of these again in like a skincare video. I'm obviously gonna have to wait until I have like a breakout coming through. Yeah, that was everything I got. So thank you so much to the 2 brands that sent me PR. And thank you to you guys for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!